everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and how are you today? Honorable for Mrs. Nani Marlian Ningsi as my lecturer of academic speaking subject, and then for my beloved friends. Then first of all, thank you so much for giving me the opportunities to present my topic today. And then before I started, let me introduce myself. My name is Nuraini Aziza with 3 last digit of my NPM 054, and then today I would like to present about the importance of education with function and process. So, we enjoy! So, for the first slide, it is about what is education. So, education is one of the most important parts of human life because it helps people grow, learn, and prepare for the future. And then, education is the process of learning knowledge, skills, values, and habits. It helps people think critically, be creative, and grow as individuals. Education is important for improving life, reducing poverty, and building a better society. So, education is not only about school, it is a lifelong process that starts from a young age and continues throughout our life. Through education, we learn important skills such as communication, problem solving, and teamwork. It also helps us understand values such as knowing what is right and what is wrong, and becoming responsible people. So, what is education for? It is important. It is very, very important. What are the benefits? So here is the answers. Benefits of education. For the first benefit, it is better career and income. And number 2, it is support society and growth. And for number 3 is gain knowledge and skills. And for number 4, it is build character and confidence. And for number 5, it is improve critical thinking. And the last but not least, better health and lifestyle. Of course, education gives many important benefits in our life. Likely, it helps us gain knowledge and skill. For example, in school, we learn subjects like English, mathematics, and science, and artistic, and of course, computer. These subjects are useful not only for exam, but also for our daily life and future careers. Education also helps us develop important skills such as communications, critical thinking, and problem solving. Their skills are very useful in both academic life and the workplace. Another benefit of education is building our character and confidence. Through education, we learn discipline, responsibility, honesty, and respect for others. It also helps us become more confident when we speak, when we share ideas, or express our opinions. And education improves our critical thinking so we can analyze problems and make better decisions. And then, one of the most important benefits is better opportunities and benefits for our future. With a good education, we have more chance to get a good job and earn a higher income. Besides that, education is related to better health and lifestyles. Education people usually make healthier choice and understand the importance of a good lifestyle. In addition, education improves our critical thinking and it helps us solve problems and make better decisions in our daily life, of course, yeah. And finally, education supports innovation and economic growth, which help a country develop. And continue for the next slide. It is education and personal growth. Education is not only about knowledge, but also about personal growth, our personal growth. It helps us become more confident and independent. Education also improves our mindset and behavior. It teaches us to think positively and make better decisions. And in addition, we learn important values like honesty, respect, and responsibility. Because of education, we can understand ourselves better and become better individuals. Example, when we learn and understand new things, we feel more confident to share our ideas and speak in front of others. Education also teaches us to be independent, especially when we solve problems by ourselves, and it improves also our mindset and behavior. When we learn to think positively, manage our emotions, and make better decisions. And in addition, we learn important values such as honesty, respect, and responsibility and hard work. Because of education, we can understand ourselves better and become better individuals. But education doesn't only help us grow as individuals, but it also depends on the way we learn. Different learning methods can help students understand lessons better and improve their learning experience. So that's why learning methods are important in the educational process. So that's why in this session we will discuss about learning methods. It have two learning methods. It is traditional learning and online learning. So what is traditional learning? Traditional learning usually happens in the classroom, The teacher explains the lessons and the students listen and take notes and do exercises. Students can also interact directly with the teacher and classmates. This makes it easier to ask questions and understand the material. This method is still widely used in schools and is effective for structured learning. And traditional learning also support different learning styles. Some students learn better by listening to explanation, while others prefer reading, writing notes, or using visual material like diagrams and example, Alright, another important learning method is online learning. This method uses technology such as videos, online classes, and digital platforms. Students can study anytime and anywhere, so it is very flexible, and it also supports self-learning where students learn independently. However, students need motivation and discipline to stay focused. So, online learning is very flexible because students can study anytime and anywhere. It is especially helpful for students who cannot attend traditional classes. And online learning also supports self-learning, where students can learn at their own pace and repeat the material when needed. It also supports different learning styles. For example, Students can watch video, listen to lectures, read digital materials, or do interactive activities. However, online learning also requires strong motivation, discipline, and good time management. In my opinion, combining traditional learning and online learning can give the best result. It is different types of education. So there are three main types of education: formal education, non-formal education, and the last in informal education. These types show that learning can happen in school, outside school, and in daily life. But what means they are? So, first, formal education. It means happens in school, colleges, and universities. It follows a planned system with teachers, subjects, and exams. And then for informal education happens in our daily life, such as learning from family, friends, or personal experience. And for the last is non-formal education. It includes courses, training, and online classes outside school. All of these types are important for personal development. And for more example, if you still get it, if you still not get it, and for the formal education, it is like school, yeah, what I say earlier, school, official, company, or colleges, or universities, yeah. And then for the non-formal education, it is like courses, workshops, training programs, sport classes, and online learning, and then all of courses, I think, yeah. And then the last for informal educations, it actually happens naturally in our daily life through experience, observation, and interaction with others. For example, we learn from our family, our experiences, book, internet, or even our personal experience, yeah. Because informal education, it is like a lifelong process because we continue learning every day. And in my opinion, all three types of education are equally important because they support both personal growth and lifelong learning. And then for the last slides, yeah, the last slides of our discussion today. So education is very important in our life. It helps us gain knowledge, improve skills, and build good character. And education also supports our personal growth and creates better opportunities for the future. Through education, we can build a better life and better society. So I say it again and again, education is not only about learning subject in school, but also about developing knowledge, skills, value, and character. Yeah? Education, of course, help us become more confident, responsible, and prepared for future challenges, and it improves our opportunities for better careers, better health, and better quality of our life. And then it also supports society by reducing poverty, promoting equality, and creating peace and stability. Through education, we can build a better future for ourselves and for our society. For our society. And then the last, in my opinion, education is the key. It's the key to personal success and a better future for everyone. Alright, that's all for my presentation. Thank you so much for attention. And then I hope from this presentation we can see that education is not only important for academic success, and then I believe that with good education we can build a better life for ourselves and contribute positively to the world around us. Then that's all for me. See you later and bye bye. Have a good day.